What is up, YouTube? Back here again. So as you can tell, there's a new car right in front of me. We'll talk about that in a little bit, but first let's get into this. So got more parts for the car. This is for the Scion. Probably more expensive ones is this and this. So some time ago I talked about going with the AEM FIC. We're gonna ditch that and we're gonna go with the AEM EMS4. To go with that is a plug and play harness from Boomslang, something like that. They're pretty penny. I will put the prices in the link or the description, my bad, of how much I paid for both of these. Next thing, hopefully camera's catching everything, is I got some Prosport oil pressure and oil temperature gauges, and then one extra gauge pod. I have a triple gauge pod over there, pillar pod, and then one of these is going to go over there, and one of these is going to go into this one all alone. This is for the brake master cylinder. This little gasket. These are for the clutch and the flywheel, just OEM bolts. And next thing I got is I picked this up from my friend Daniel, the guy with the boosted TC. This is a Ptuning full 3-inch piping from the Turboback, I believe. Picked this up for around 200 bucks. I'll list all the prices for all this that I paid for, so I can recall everything. But yeah, so I picked up for like 200 bucks. Yeah, I'm probably gonna delete the, I think it's the resonator. Yeah, I'm gonna delete the resonator just so it could flow a little bit better. Hopefully it's not raspy. And yeah, I think that's it. Oh wait, for one more. I did pick up the energy suspension master bushing kit. And I'm gonna get all of them installed by Jeff at Shift Tech Performance. And yeah, so hopefully all of those, hopefully the suspension overall gets better, but we'll see. Next thing and the last thing, but the best one. I needed a daily, and yeah, so here she is. It's a 2011 Toyota Camry SE. Nice daily, I'm not gonna lie to you. Engine wise, good. Transmission wise, good. Pretty much all good. The only thing I replaced, because I feel like I need to replace that, is just changed out the rotors today. The brake pads, I was gonna replace the rotors in the back, but they seemed like they were rusted together with the actual wheel bearing, I believe that's what it's called. So I'll get that taken care of. And I changed the rear brake pads. Next thing I need to do is the oil change, intake, little things here and there, just regular maintenance, nothing severe. But show you guys the car. It's automatic. I wasn't trying to get a stick, but it's freaking nice, man, not gonna lie. Push start, which I've never had that. AC, which I've never used on the TC, and with this it's a game changer. But let's put that down a little bit. It is the V6, and it is not the 4-cylinder. I know that the 4-cylinder would be the 2AR. It's a 2.5 liter, but yeah, it's clean. Show you guys the engine bay. Still need to do spark plugs, because from the oil as well. I literally just bled the brakes, so I'm sweating. It's a mess all around here. Yeah, it's the 2GRFE. It's not a lot, it's a little sleeper car. If I was on the budget, this would probably be a nice little build. Supercharge it, but I ain't gonna do shit. It's gonna be my daily, goddamn. Yeah, it's a nice car. It's a clean engine bay. Picked it up, I'm still financing it. It's not mine completely, but it will be mine when I'm done paying it. Picked it up for like $7,500 plus, you know, the financing, which, you know, that works. I ain't gonna get the details. But yeah, it's pretty nice. Not gonna start messing with it yet, because I want to pay it off first, and maybe do like an exhaust intake. If I can tune it, I'll tune it, but if not, I'm gonna do shit. But other than that, cool build. Cool car. Sorry, not a cool build, cool car. Decent car. It's fun for what it is, and it's a nice daily. It's practical. I don't want to really mess with it right now. It's cool. But yeah, you guys, I just wanted to show you guys update you guys. I haven't posted shit about these cars, mainly because I was working my ass off trying to pick this up. And now I did. Alright, you guys, hit me up. I'll post my Facebook if you guys want to hit me up there, Instagram, whatever. And you guys know that I'll try to respond on YouTube. Alright, guys, see you.